Hello everyone, and this is the second video you can say. For this video we have just created previously the Claude and Salesforce MCP connect, right? And here we have used the Salesforce standard MCP, and now in this video we can try to create our own MCP that is obviously inside our Salesforce, or that Salesforce give us power to create, or you can say combine two MCP servers, and we can use for based on our requirements. So now, before starting the video, I will tell you we will create a custom custom Salesforce MCP server, and we will do the similar thing. So you can also watch this video, so you can get the better idea. And before starting the video, this is my LinkedIn, you can follow me, and this is our channel, our beautiful channel. So Salesforce bus, and for ticket to ride in this bus is subscribe, so you can subscribe this channel. Okay, so I must say this is a very easy process. You can create here we can see the 8 servers the Salesforce provided, right? And in this previous video we have used the S object, but using this S object we don't have the ability to delete the records. So now what we have done, not like in this video, what we have doing, we will just combine these tools, the S objects alls and S object deletes, right? These two things, and this will combination of these two MCP will using in our Claude and do the operation. Okay, and from here I have to create the MCP server here. Let's give a name SF bus MCP, right? And the description is like a combination of S object all and S object deletes MCP. Okay, and now we had just click on the hit button, and now if we can see, this will take some time, so we can open our Claude also. And if I click on the refresh button, okay, now the MCP is created. It is similar, very similar to the previous S object all that we have used in our previous. So here we can click on the add server asset. Here we can add the tools, add the prompts, and add from the server. Okay, so if we click on the tools, we can see the tools like the Apex Action, Apex Rest, Honor Enable, and the Flow, right? So from here we can also fetch our flows, fetch our Apex. So in my work we don't have any Apex class, and so this feature I will let you know in our coming videos. But for now, let's add, and the prompt add prompts also we can add here, but I will let you know about these features in our next videos. Okay, so for this video, just keep it simple, and we just need to add from our server. So which server we have using, we are using this S object and S object deletes. So from the S object we can add all the tools. Let's take the all the tools, just clicking on this add tools. Okay, you can also add the prompts, but this is not necessary, I guess, for this. And I have added this from the S object all, and we need to add the delete feature. So we can add here all the delete operation. I guess if I fetch only this will be work, but I will fetch all the tools just for the nothing will break, right? If I click on the done, so in our SF bus MCP which we have created, you can see the 17 tools is present. Okay, and now just simply we can copy this MCP server, we can go on the cloud, we can just put on the connector, customize on here. If I click on the I wanted to edit this, okay, so I cannot edit this, I need to disconnect this first, then I have to remove this. Okay, and now I'm adding this again, SF bus MCP. Now we can copy this. Okay, now we have to add this again. So these all the things we have previously done, so you must be very familiar on this. Okay, so this is the I have explained this how we have to create this external client application. So from here I wanted to know my client secret client ID. Okay, and I got the verification code. Let me just copy and the paste. Okay, verify. Get this one. Okay, I got the very customer key and secret. I have to paste here and the paste here also. Okay, now if I hit the add button, no thanks, the cloud is connected with my cloud, yeah, Salesforce. If I click on the cloud connect, okay, something happens. Let's go on the cloud and just check it is added or not. Add connectors. I think that is not work previously, so we have to do the again. Okay, let's do the again. Okay, let me remove this one, do the add connectors here, SF plus MCP. Let me copy this URL. I can type the MCP here, like MCP server. So okay, so this is inactive. Okay, that's it. This is why we are not able to connect. Okay, so I have to activate that. Okay, so now it is active. Let me copy this URL, go on the cloud here, just copy this key, okay, and the secret. Okay, just put on the ad. So now it is retrieving all the tools I have here. The 70 tools will be appearing here. Okay, if I refresh this, okay, all the 17 tools are now appearing here. So let's try whenever. previous chats which we have this. Okay, so previously we don't have the delete feature, right? And now if I tell our Claude to delete this feature, yeah, first open that opportunity. So this opportunity we have created previously by using the Claude, and now if I tell the Claude delete this OPP23 whose ID is this. So now this will use our this connector SF bus, and inside this connector we have the delete tool. So the Claude will able to delete this opportunity. Okay, so now it is using this delete as a record platform. So it is taking my permission. I like this symbol, right? And it is taking some time to delete the operation. Let's check the request. So it's giving the request like here. Okay, now it is admin permanently deleted in your move on the recycle bin. And okay, so if I refresh this will gone. Okay, so can I, so this is done for this video. So I am just uh, doing some another like create a record trigger flow for creating, updating opportunity whose amount is more than more than 100. Let's take a dollar here. uh, the flow will update the opportunity which field we have used previously. Okay, description like amount is more than 1,000. Okay, so I'm not sure this will be able to create a flow or not. Let's take a look. Don't have to the tool from directly creating the API. Okay, okay, so Claude is not able to do that because we have to include all of these things inside the tools. Maybe on the if I deactivate this, maybe on the tools we need to add. Okay, so I will look onto this. How will we create a flow using the Claude. But till now we have done this video, and thanks for watching this video. And you can always support me. uh, Here I have the my not in this video, uh, I guess on this video, yeah. So you can give support on this QR. Okay, thanks, bye.